If you think making a music video feels way too hard, this changes everything. See, most people would love to create their own music videos. I do, but I don't have the cameras, I don't have the lighting, I don't have the budget. And those professional music videos, they can feel very, very complicated. But what if I told you you can bypass all of that with one creative assistant? It's called VidMuse. And let me show you the magic. See, I've already got a 30-second chorus from Suno, and I've got my character images ready to go. So today, I'm going to take that one step further and see just how far we can go with a new tool called VidMuse. I'm going to make this music video with very minimal prompting. The goal is to create a fast-paced, tempoed music video featuring Envy, my basketball player, in a very professional sports commercial-like music video. So the first thing I'm going to do is upload my chorus. Then I'll upload all my character images. See, I've got a whole bunch of images from different angles because the more references you can give, the more consistent your character usually ends up looking throughout the entire video. And that's what you want. You want that organic, authentic music video. Once that's done, I just tell VidMuse what I want. It's nothing crazy, keeping it very simple. Just a confident female basketball star performing her song in a huge stadium. Simple. Now we'll let VidMuse do its thing. And this is actually really cool. See, VidMuse analyzes the music for you. It works out the BPM, the key, where the chorus starts, where the biggest moments are, and even recommends where the hero shots should happen. Cool, right? That saves a heap of time because you're not trying to guess where everything should go. Next, it gives me a few creative ideas, and it recommends the first one, and I actually really like the first one. It's called The Court is Hers, and basically it's about one athlete owning the entire stadium. I like this concept. It's simple, straight to the point, it's confident, gives the exact vibe that I was after. See, originally I had it on a blank white background, but I wanted more. I wanted the location to be amazing. So I asked VidMuse to change the location to a full championship basketball stadium with dramatic lighting and on a much grander scale. Straight away, feels a lot more cinematic, and you can see that. So VidMuse then generates the entire references of all the images that I've given it, the character, the uniform, the stadium. And once I'm happy with those, I simply approve them and then move on. So now it starts planning the actual music video. It breaks everything into 3 sections: the introduction, the main performance, and then the big hero ending. And then it lines it up with all the music automatically. After that, it starts building every single shot. All the close-ups, all the wide shots, the dribbling, the running, the jump shot, the hero pose, everything. It all gets timed to the beat. So it feels exactly like it's been edited by a professional before anything has been generated. Once I'm happy with the storyboard, I just approve it. VidMuse tells me roughly how many credits it will use, and then it starts generating every scene. And this is where the anticipation begins. A few minutes later, all 4 clips are finished, and I can play through each one individually, check that the character stays consistent, make sure the camera movement feels right, and if I don't like something, I just regenerate it. See, that's a huge time saver and a huge money saver. So once everything looks good, I just click render, and VidMuse stitches all the clips together, adds the music back in, and produces one complete music video. From uploading a song to getting a finished video, the whole process is surprisingly straightforward. And honestly, that's probably what impresses me most. You're not writing massive prompts. You're making creative decisions, and the AI handles all the technical stuff in the background. If you've ever wanted to make your own music videos without needing a camera crew or a huge editing workflow, this is a really interesting way to do it. So in VidMuse, you can jump between the chat panel, the canvas panel, and the timeline panel to verify all your generations are exactly what you're after. I usually stick to the chat panel. I talk to the AI, I answer its questions, I give it some prompts, and then it generates what I need it to generate. The canvas is basically for me to ensure that the visuals are aligning with what I'm visioning, and that the timeline is where we edit everything together and make sure that it's the perfect music video. Okay, so we've got the rendered video downloaded. Let's watch the entire video in its full. Here we go. Roll the tape.
Invincible, invincible, invincible. I feel like I'm invincible. You don't know what I'm gonna do. Unstoppable, unstoppable, unstoppable. I know that I'm unstoppable.
And there you have it, a VidMuse music video made entirely from a shortened prompt with a few tweaks here and there. If you've liked anything in this video, you liked any of the content, share the content, like the content, but most importantly, subscribe to the channel. And I'm confident I will see you in the next one. Ciao.